Phahlane nasolwa nabo batheleke enkantolo bebukeka bekhululekile.
Your Worship, the amount involved is 54 million rand, just over 54 million rand. And the state will allege that the accused persons acted in concert or with common intent in confederation of a common purpose.
Kwabasolwa noPhahlane kubala Lieutenant Colonel Godfrey Mahwai nesinye isikhulu samaphoyisa uMajor General Obed Nemutanzela kanye nowayiphoyisa uAgnes Makhele. Abanye abasolwa ababili abangosomabhizinisi abadabuka kwaZulu-Natal uIbanathan Christiano Avendra Naidu. Bonke abasolwa baphikile amacala.
The supply of equipment to the SAPS. I consider these matters as a blatant abuse of the criminal justice process by certain individuals hell-bent on sullying my name and reputation without just cause.
Umbuso awuzange uyiphikise izicelo zebheyili kanti abasolwa bakhokhiswe ibheyili ehlukene. uLieutenant Colonel Godfrey Mahwai yena ukhishwe ngesamba esincane ukudlula bonke se-5,000 zamarandi. Usomabhizinisi uIbanathan Christiano yena ukhokhe 50,000 zamarandi. uPhahlane yena ukhululwe ngebheyili ye-20,000 zamarandi.
It is correct that the court should not mete out a bail and fix an amount that would seem like it's punishment in respect of the applicants. The court also should take into account the seriousness of the offense, which I said from face value, from the reading of the charge sheet itself and what has been submitted, even in respect of the applicants who has given a scenario of the background of what brought them before this court.
Robert McBride kanye noPaul O'Sullivan nabo bebesenkantolo. uMcBride waphenyela amaphoyisa anindekayo kuleli cala ngesikhathi esahola iPad.
In fact, even the portfolio committee on police summoned us to come and answer to Phahlane why we investigated him under Francois Beekman. Is the worst thing that's ever happened in the country, and it happened in front of everybody. And that suddenly the guys doing the good work became the bad guys. So even just the mere appearance, and I mean, it's on one occasion I was blamed by Phahlane that I'm conducting a witch hunt.
This is the tip of the iceberg. We're going to see a situation now where the big fish in the police are going to start, their heads will start rolling. And the serving officers, I call upon the police to stop approving payment from taxpayers' funds for the lawyers of these criminals.
Lolu phenyo lidonse iminyaka emihlanu kusukela ngo-2016 kanti lithinta ukuthengwa kohlelo lokuqapha izinkundla zokuxhumana iRipJar kanye nohlelo lwezingcingo iDaedalus. Leli cala lizobuyela enkantolo mhla ziyisikhombisa kuZibandlela.